Hello everyone, and welcome to the Passport unboxing video by Foundation Devices. Passport is a new open source Bitcoin hardware wallet. In this video, we're going to walk through unboxing Passport and getting it set up for the first time. We're going to start by actually opening up the main box and highlighting some of the security features and some of the things that you'll find inside. So the first thing you'll note is that Passport comes in this white box, has a lithium-ion battery warning label on it. It'll have a shipping label on the top if you receive it via mail. Then it has a blue security seal. This seal is tamper evident, which means that if you try to remove it, it'll actually leave a little bit of residue. You'll also note that the seal has a number on it. We do not actually record this number for anything. However, each label at the factory begins with the same first few digits. So in this case, this label begins with B722. Also in our first batch of 1,000 units, you'll see some with B733. Because if you go buy this label online, it always comes with a random number. You should always check to make sure that the first four digits, the B722 or B723, matches on your device. If it does not match, you should contact us with any questions or concerns because your device may have been tampered with. So to open, we recommend using a knife or a scissor. You just cut along the top of the box. Perfect. So you'll see in the box we have a couple different things. One is this card that gives you a QR code to view the instructions. You'll also see there's a few other items in here protected with plastic. So we have the card, which also includes a special Founders Edition concept sketch of some of the different concept art that we designed when we were creating Passport. So this is a nice double-sided card. You have a little message from us. You can scan the QR code in order to get started with the setup process. Then you also have this cool postcard. We also donated a little bit to Coin Center, which is an excellent nonprofit, and we received these amazing Bitcoin white paper booklets. So this is the full unedited Bitcoin white paper, and it's in pocket form, which is really, really cool to give to your friends or to keep on your bookshelf or just a nice little commemorative thing. Then we also have two Foundation Devices stickers with our logo. And you'll see in the box, we have an inner box. And this inner box is the Passport box. I'm gonna set aside the outer box and we can unwrap the inner box. So first you'll find a layer of bubble wrap. It's actually sticky. It adheres to the inner box. The inner box is shrink wrapped, so make sure that yours is shrink wrapped. And then you'll also see a label at the bottom, and you'll see a void if removed sticker. So you can go ahead and open the shrink wrap. It's a little bit tougher than your usual shrink wrap, so you'll probably need to use a knife or a scissor. And then you can also go ahead and remove this void if broken label. If you try to peel this label off, it'll break off into a bunch of tiny pieces and is super frustrating to get off in one piece. So it's designed to be tamper evident. Perfect. So the box now will just kind of float open. We can separate it. And now you have Passport.